Hello people of the internet, I got some noodle toy for you guys today, and found this in the fry section. I would not recommend giving this to your dogs. He's have a very strong scarlet smell. But MCcAIN garlic and herb crinkle fries. They are $3.42 at Walmart. They are new flavor. This is what they look like. Let's get a bite and see what they taste like. They have a really strong smell garlic. I never had these before. These are new. Ooh. Garlic's nice and flavorful, not overpowering. Potatoes nice and soft and moist. A little crunchy, not too crunchy. Yeah. They're kind of healthy all in them. Parsley, dried rosemary. Yeah. I can definitely taste the rosemary. I like that. Yeah. These are really good fries. Garlic's not overpowering. Has a nice, not too crunchy, but has a nice soft texture in the middle. Nice and cooked good. Yeah, I like these. I can recommend these. Once you can find these, Walmart has these for $3.42. Anyway, see you guys later.